What's up everybody, welcome back to Malabar Tour, where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test home gadgets, car gadgets, everyday use gadget that makes the life easier. So let's see if some of them worth it, if they work, or is it plain like useless. That's the whole point of this video, and also I always try to find the most unique gadgets, not something simple, you know what I mean? Something that is like a little bit extra. So let's see what I got this time. I got it here, All Light, All Station X. So All Light is amazing flashlight company. This is a rechargeable battery station. You just press it and grab the battery as needed. So the charged batteries will be in here. Whenever you want to add to the charging section, all you have to do is just drop the battery, doesn't matter which way, and it will fill up and hold quite a few batteries. That's amazing. Also, if something happens to the battery, you can just remove this. It will dispense into this battery. So you want to kind of check it and put it back in and try to do it again before you throw it away or recycle it. Also, they have an awesome app to where I could do standard or fast charging. Okay, after about a minute, it will recognize and it starts turning blue, and now we can tell how charges our battery. Some of them are 63%, 69, 70, so I can leave it and charge it and check on it. I can do fast charging or standard. I'm gonna leave it at standard, so that's cool. It's like a vending machine for batteries. Took too many, I can push it back in. Spring around the corner is getting warmer, so we will need blinds for the car. Look at that, they actually created actual blind for the car. You can actually use it pretty much anywhere actually. Even on your house, it is a stick-on blind, but they will advertise it on TikTok for your car. But yeah, this is incredible. It is a stick-on blind for any window. Like for example, this window have no blind. I can put it on right here. Let's try it. So didn't even clean the window. Let's see how it's going to hold up. Oh wow, it is nice. Just suction cup right here. What? This is so cool. So this is a stick-on blind for any window. I know I did it kind of with one hand, but you could probably even stick it on. Ooh, it's tight. You can stick it on onto the door if it's a maybe not a glass door. It has to be on the window, but still, this is incredible. I love it. So it could be used for anything, but let me cut it so it fit my car. Okay, I cut a piece of it and I put it on the passenger side. I don't see much obstruction at all, especially with the handle here. So let's try it. So just grab and pull. You know what, I kind of broke it over there a little bit. Might have to fix it because I put it on the window too hard. Honest review, right? But oops, rather than that, oh, they didn't think of the mirror. Rather than that, it would have been an amazing gadget. You know what, I think I got to do it over the mirror. Boom. Wow, that is a cool gadget. So don't pull on the plastic, pull on this piece right here, because I pulled on the plastic to remove it and I broke it off. Man, that's amazing. The only problem is when you want to detach it, you don't want to detach it anyways, because it will be sitting here. The cups are so strong that is actually a good thing that the plastic broke off. I'd say amazing gadget if it was a little bit durable, but also user error. Pull it by the cups, not by the plastic. Window sunshade, there's the brand for it. So it is actual umbrella with one of those like aluminum pieces, so it is protects from the UV rays and stuff, hopefully. Yeah, but the most important is protects the car. Let's see if I can open it all the way. Yeah, like this. What? This is so cool. No way. Does it fit my car? Oh, you know what? All I have to do is now flip this over and flip, open it all the way. What? This is so cool. And flip this over. Kind of learning as I go. Boom. Wow, this is awesome. So to put it away, simply just fold this up, and it's just a simple umbrella. lock it up, fold this up, and it comes with a really nice holder. I don't know, could you use it as an umbrella? That's kind of oversized and ridiculous, but you know what? Desperate times, desperate measures, you could probably use it kind of like umbrella as well during the rainy days. That's hilarious. So I'd definitely say thumbs up from me, because you can put it away, really not holding up much space. Got it here, spinnable brush, and I can hold it, put it onto a drill. There's a drill bit, and so I can clean the toilet, and this side here I can hold on to. Remember, I peel potatoes with this thing? How cool is that? Let's see if it cleans the dirt out. Oh wow, this is cool. This is nice. So it will clean the toilet really good as well. I don't have a plug behind the wall, plus I have decorations over there, so I got one of these clamp extension cords. So I could clamp it onto end of my I don't know, table, or I could do it right here. I probably would do it somewhere at the end of the table, so that way it sits there nice and tight. It does better on non-slick table, but it holds there really good. It's not coming off. But this principle can work on any little like 2x4s. And look at it, it sits in there tight. Well, could be tighter, but makes sense, right? It sits in there, tighten it, boom. You can plug something else in, it sits in there really good. Unless I really pull it, it's not going to come off. I like signs that because my dogs have no problems. Stop it. They see the dog food, they're yelling at me. My dogs have no problem digesting it. I had other food and they would just throw up and have you know, upset stomach. On top of it, it has a Ziploc bags. Once in a while, the Ziploc kind of breaks. It's like a Velcro type of thing, not really a Ziploc, and it closes. Nice. Once in a while, that Ziploc, when I open it, it kind of gets messed up. So what I could do is grab one of these tools and seal it. Boom. And then I can grab it and lift it, not worry about my kids getting into food. So it's kind of like a child proof as well. It could be used for anything. Check this out. Deer feed, chicken feed. A lot of bags don't have this kind of Velcro sealer. Plus on top of it, if you want to seal it way lower, so there's less oxygen and the dog food stays better longer, could do that as well. And it has a nice handle. Yeah, there's for any kind of bag, it's like it becomes sealed bag. I love it and easy to carry. Every household needs a screwdriver. Guess what? This one is a Milwaukee. It's actually really good. It's kind of hard to pull it out, in and out, so maybe it's not as good for like weaker hands or elderly, but it is nice. There's every bit we need, and it's a ratcheting, so easy to use. But this one, it might be better. It's cheaper, but it's easier to pull out one of this, and there's a magnet to hold it together, double-sided, so there's a lot of different bits and screws, bits, and looks like star bits and double-sided. Put it back away, super easy to take in and out. I think we all guilty of buying batteries and then hoarding the actual box, and when I need a battery I take it right here or keep it inside of this boxes or this. It take up a lot of space and it really doesn't look good. So this is the best battery holder. I think this one is like SC on TV, and the most common one is AA batteries. That's why there's so many of them, and it's actually quite easy to load them up. So instead of having it in this box, all I have to do is just super organized. I just want to have them, the goal to fill them up all the way, so I need to go buy more batteries. Same thing with the D batteries. I need them once in a while for my videos. Boom, just grab them, stack them up, and this one's had here C14. Again, another case of batteries right here, mixed in with stuff, not good. entire empty box of batteries that takes up a lot of space. Even these things takes up quite a bit of space versus boom. Now I need to get 4 more, looks like. No, 5 more to fill it up all the way. And looks like I can put AAA batteries in here, so overstock can go on the other side of AAA batteries. And right here I can add on one of those watch batteries, like car fob batteries and everything else. This makes my life so much easier. I love it. Got it here, DeWalt magnetic wireless charger. Interesting. Let's see what's about. Okay. Oh, this could be connected to the wall or just plugged in. The way I charge my phone, my iPhones for some reason always break. The charger never works for me. I don't know, because I work a lot, dirt get in there and it's get destroyed. So I got right here USB, USB-C, amazing. Right now they have USB power cord plugs right here. And now if I, this is USB-C, it wouldn't even fit, but now I can plug it in into here and just plug it in here. This one doesn't have MagSafe case. Okay, we got to turn it on. Oh, there it is. It's charging now at 72%. There you go. It is stone, but what you want to do with this kind of chargers is have, I think it's called MagSafe case, and then it will sit in really good and tight and not going to come off. And it's charging. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.